Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, the name's Oshean and I make videos on personal finance, some tech that can help you, lifestyle hacks, and whatnots. So in today's video, we are going to do an unboxing and we will unbox this. Can you see it? This is a Takstar Pro 82 na headphones. I got this from Lazada. I just forgot the name of the shop, pero kaya ako pinili yung shop na yun kasi nag-i-issue sila ng resibo because I will have this reimbursed. Takstar is a Chinese brand. Kaya ako napili to kasi this was recommended by one of my colleagues, si Vincent. So shout out to Vincent if you are watching. Just a little side story before I chose this headphone. Yung original plan ko talaga was to buy the Sony XM3 or XM4, the wireless one. But the problem is that it's too expensive and hindi afford ng budget ko. Kasi mas gusto ko ng wireless at saka basta basically wireless. But the problem with this headphone, with the Takstar Pro 82, is that it's not wireless, it's wired, but it's fine. And so the reason also why I decided to change headphones is that the one that I'm using right now, it's an Asus ROG Cerberus na kasama siya dun sa laptop when I bought my laptop and it's free. Hindi na siya gumagana ng maayos. So yeah, kaya ako napabili na rin ng headphones. Because of course, if you're working from home and if you're a data scientist or a programmer, headphones is a necessity, especially when you're doing calls and when you need to listen to some music so that you can focus on the things that you need to do. With that, let's get the unboxing. I have here my camera, so yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yung color na pinili ko is silver. Unfortunately, wala nang black. So, black sana yung pipiliin ko, but anyway, it's fine. Oh, wow! Look at that! If you can see it. Wow! Ang ganda ng box! I have to admit, the box is super nice. Wow. If you can see it, look, if you can see it in the camera, maganda yung box. Oh, by the way, for the cost nito, I only bought this for like almost 3,000 pesos. For 3,000 pesos, maganda yung packaging. But of course, parang sa pagkain lang yan, taste is king. So this one, sound is king. We will test it later on and I'll give you my review so far kung okay ba yung gamit ko sa kanya. And it comes with this one. This is what it looks like. Oh, wow, okay. So this is yung mismong headphones. In here, you have this, I don't know, pang-adjust siguro to. I will check the specs later on. I think replaceable yung cup nito if I'm not mistaken. But I have to check. Ayoko munang alsin yung cup. Baka mamaya masira ko na. And nagsuswivel din yung ear cups. That's what I also like about it. Medyo adjustable siya. And also, this one, yung headband niya, it's also adjustable. It has a good metal finish. And then, yung foam niya ay leather. And from how I'm touching it right now is that it's soft. Ooh, I love the softness. So, this is the headphones. So, let's see kung ano pa yung laman ng box. Okay, so it has this desiccant. So by the way guys, tinatago ko tong desiccant for storage purposes. So nilalagay ko to sa mga gadgets ko sa tabi nila para, you know, to keep the moisture out of the way as much as possible. In here, we also have this box. Yeah, let's see what it looks. Okay, medyo mahirap lang siyang buksan. Kaya, yeah. Okay, wow. I'm impressed. I'd say for packaging, 10 out of 10. Ganda siya. Okay, so this is the wire. And it comes with the 3.5mm jack na I think ito yung ikakabit mo dun sa computer mo. And then for this one, ito yung, I think ito natatanggal to eh. Yep. This can be removed. So, yep, we don't need this. So I'm gonna keep this. And this is also cool kasi may kasama rin siyang pouch. Look, the pouch is so nice. It has a silky texture and sa loob niya meron siyang parang mesh net na ano din siya. You can also tighten it. And then, if we're going to put this one, okay, so we can put it here if we want to store it. Okay, this is cool. So I'm gonna put this also here. The instructions are both in Chinese and in English. So, okay. Oh, okay, alright. So, naalala ko na, yung tatlong switch per cup, these are base levels. So, pwede mong i-adjust yung base level nung cup. So, the first one, it has a standard sound pressure, and base 2, it has a low frequency. It has a low frequency na 3 decibel boost and a 6 decibel boost. Oh, you can also put it on a mixer. I'd say this is pretty much cool. Okay, let's go back again dun sa wire. So what I like about the wires is that hindi siya yung parang hindi siya yung I'd say this is studio quality. Hindi siya yung parang sa Cerberus ko na ganito, if you can see it. Ganyan, yung nagto-twist. So no. So if you're going to buy a headphone, please make sure na hindi siya ganito. Medyo mataas ang maintenance ng ganitong klaseng wires. I would not recommend this. So ito yung gamit ko na Asus RG. So if you can see, I wasn't able to maintain it very well. I'm sorry, rest in peace. Yan. So but for this one, here, we don't need that shit anymore. Out with that and in with this. Ta-da! What I'm gonna do is that I'm going to test using this. I have a meeting ng 2:30 PM, so I will test this out and hopefully it's okay. And I will give you guys my verdict. But so far, wala akong reklamo sa box, wala akong reklamo sa issue ng headphone. So far, for my score, I'd say it's all 10 out of 10. Yun nga lang, preference-wise lang talaga, mas gusto ko sana ng wireless. But, you know, life's not perfect. Alright, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so I've been trying this headphones for quite some time. Siguro mga ilang minutes na 15 to 20 minutes. So far, okay naman siya. Yung naging problem ko lang at first is the first time na sinaksak ko siya, hindi gumana yung right side. And then, I tried opening my other laptop, tapos medyo inano ko lang ng konti. Gumana naman na siya. Then, I would say the sound is really good. Tapos, na-adjust mo yung bass using these buttons. Yep, I'd say this is a very pretty good headphones for me. Mamaya ita-try ko siya for an online call. So, yeah.
The next day.
Okay guys, so I've been using this headphones already for a day, and so far, verdict, sound 5 out of 5. I love the sound. So yung sound niya parang talagang surround system, and I can hear my office mates clearly, and then I can hear the music clearly. And the next one is yung level of comfort. I love the level of comfort also. Sobrang soft nung cushion pads. Ito yung ear pads tsaka yung mismong headband. Yung issue ko lang dito is that it's leather. So, may tendency na uminit yung tenga mo when you're using it for too long. Unless that you're working in a room na may aircon, so I guess it's okay. Level of comfort, sobrang okay. Though there's one caveat lang na nakalimutan kong sabihin with regards to this is that wala siyang built-in microphone. You have to buy a separate microphone if you want to use it for online calls. So what I did before is that bumili ako nito. Now this is an audio splitter. It's a 3.5mm splitter. So naka-split siya. One is for microphone and the other one is for headphones. So ito yung ginagamit ko. So yung for microphone dito nakasaksak itong aking condenser mic, and then the other one is yung aking headphones. I'd say this is a pretty good investment for a price of 3,000 pesos. This is a very nice headphones, and I would definitely recommend it for you guys if you want to use it on your work from home setup. Yun nga lang, kailangan separate yung mic mo at saka ito. With that, guys, thank you very much for watching. If you find value on this video, please do not forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel and click the bell button beside it so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video. Okay? So remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. See you again soon. Peace out.